Hi there, welcome to AnnEvolving. I'm Ann, I'm 60, and I make videos for women over the age of 50 to evolve into a more confident self as we're aging. There's so many things that test our patience and try our confidence. And so I try and find solutions to help me feel better and more like me as I age, so I don't lose myself to this whole aging process. And so that's what I do here. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment and do so. I've got lots of videos on weight loss and skincare and things like that, so I hope you'll stick around and watch a few. Today we are talking about the Beachwaver. I ordered this for myself. It's not gifted or anything like that. And it says you are beautiful, and it also said it's a woman-owned company. So I kind of think that's cool. So I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to wave my hair today. Here we go. And it looks like it can set to 3 strings. Boop, boop, boop. It has this clip right here, and you put your hair in the clip, and then you do one of these buttons to spin it. And if you want to spin it the other way for alternating, I think that's really cool. So you can alternate curls if you want to. So it says getting started, turn on, hold for a second. Low is 290, medium is 350, and high is 410. Medium is really all you need on your hair is what I understand. I'm going to try and just go to the second level. Once it gets to that second level, it will be a steady blink. It says to create a clean section of hair, open the clamp, secure it, rotate, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and release. So before I even put heat on my hair, I have washed it and conditioned it, and I have sprayed it with the Bumble and Bumble hair prep spray. And I'm going to set my mirror over here so I can kind of see what I'm doing. But I'm going to take a small piece like this, probably smaller than that. Okay. And then, let's see. So that's it. I'm using this for the first time on camera. Have a little grace with me here, but we are going to try this together. I'm going to go away from my face. So there we go. I'm going to hold it for a couple of seconds, release it a little bit, and then this thing where you can release it like this and then just pull straight down on it. That's kind of the look I'm looking for, kind of a wave. All right. So again, coming down here, starting down here, all in this direction. And then when I'm ready, I'm going to untwist it like this. And if I want to, I can do that. I'm trying to do the technique where the bottom stays out and it's kind of straight like that for a more beachy look. I think the hardest part is getting it in this little clip there. But if you're by a mirror, that helps. So again, letting it go here. I want to say the one that I had before might have had a longer this. And so it's easier when it's longer. I'm not sure I love how short this is. I like tools that have more flexibility. I like the thicker handle, but I don't like that this is kind of short. It's very smooth. It doesn't get caught in the clamp, so I like that. Tools like this, it's not always as easy as it looks, and it does take time and practice to learn how to use any new hot tool. The most important thing is not leaving it on your hair too long. I would rather release it and start over than leave it on the hair too long and risk that I'm going to, burn it. Go the other way. See how short this is? I mean, I guess that's easy. I just have to get used to the location of it. I've also learned that depending on the way you're curling it, so if you do it this way, you're curling that way. And if you do it this way, let's see if I can show you. So when I put it under, I'm twirling away. I do kind of have to watch this part. I've seen this as a technique to help it last. And then I'll do one showing you the other way. So this way I would do it on the outside. And so that means I'm going to roll it toward me. So that's the difference, is you roll it, if you're on the inside, you're rolling it away. If you put it on the outside, you're rolling it toward you. And again, that takes some coordination too. It always takes coordination doing something new that you've never done before, of course. So I will alternate these because that's what I've seen other people do. Nope, other way. Every new tool I get, there's a steep learning curve. Be patient with it. Don't go too close to your head. Don't panic if you do. Just use the buttons to reverse it. Does it look like tousled beach waves? I bought it on sale. I've been eyeing it for quite a while, and I just wanted to have an option to my longe. It's so easy to use. If you haven't seen that one, I'll list it below. And I wanted to see what kind of curls I could create with this. So this is just the first step. So that's it. So that's kind of what it looks like. I think if I had some texture spray, that might help. I mean, I will try it many, many more times, but the things I like is, you know, it gives a very natural look. So that is the Beachwaver. I don't know if I recommend it yet. I'll let you know how the curls stay.